Hi there, my name's Amanda and today we're going to look at the HS1 adult and infant child training pads and explain their benefits to you. Sudden cardiac arrest is the leading cause of death in the UK, accounting for an estimated 65,000 deaths each year. With this in mind, various programs are being introduced where automated external defibrillators, AEDs, are being placed throughout the public domain with the goal of making AEDs more accessible to everyone in an emergency. Designed to accompany the Philips HeartStart HS1 trainer unit, these training pads are designed to enable people to train and maintain knowledge of CPR and AED use with a practical application. The design is similar to the live pads with pictures on the front detailing whether they are for an adult or for a child. To replace the cartridge or change from adult to an infant child, all you have to do is slide the switch at the top of the AED, which will release the cartridge and then insert the new one. The AED will automatically switch on, recognising the cartridge change, and carry out a set of tests whilst adapting its instructions according to the UK's Resuscitation Council guidelines. Both cartridges are reusable and can be used alongside a flat man or a flat boy. The training pads are coloured yellow with red tags to save confusion with the live pads and are extremely light, weighing only 200 grams. They are a light addition to your training AED package. Training pads are generally used with a HS1 trainer unit. However, not many people know they can also be used with a live HS1 AED. When inserting the training pads into the live HS1 AED, the pad's cartridge instructs the device not to deliver a live shock, but to adapt a training scenario system dependent on what pads you use, adult or infant child. This allows one machine to be a trainer and a live AED when required. Please be aware that the HS1 adult or infant child training pads do not always automatically come with the purchase of an AED training unit and may need to be purchased separately. If you have any questions, please feel free to check out our frequently asked questions or alternatively contact us directly at www.adoptanaed.co.uk and we will be happy to assist any way we can. Please see the links below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of Adopt an AED, adopt, register, respond.